Like it, guys?
Yes.
Like it?
Nothing.
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 Ipopost pa ng lahat! Yes! Magpapakaawa po kami. Please po, post niyo po. Huwag kang titingin sa April 15! Sabi ang bago, what can you say about that movie? Promise, sa inyo lahat po, maraming salamat sa mga kwento ngayon para supportahan yung film. And of course, to our GMA Network family and the Network Campus, maraming salamat po sa tiwala. Honor po kami lahat ng maging part ng film na to.
Sino gusto mamukas ng bato? Hindi, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga dito ngayon. Sana po panoorin nyo, huwag kang titingin, mapapanood nyo na ngayon. April 15 pa sila. Nothing! Nothing!
Really, guys, thank you so much for all the love and support. Super appreciate it. April 15th, nationwide in cinemas. Make sure you guys watch. Post, of course, and thank you for all the love and support.
Sumunod dito sa Miss Annette and Miss Joy Industries, tinapos nila yung movie! Hindi ba huwag kang umaaligin? Joke lang. May sasabihin di siya. Sinabi na siya sa part 2.
Sinabi ng hindi ako kasama, no? Just want to thank everyone that's here, everyone that took the time. We all know what's going on like in the country. I know you guys spent so much money just to come here. And you guys to pay parking pa and everything to spend the time with us. Thank you so much. And you don't know how big this night is for us, the whole cast. Everyone that made the movie from GMA Sparkle, Mentor, GMA Pictures, lahat kami. Maraming salamat po. Sana po na-enjoy niyo yung film as much as nag-enjoy kaming lahat na gawin ito. Maraming salamat po.
Once again, salamat po kami. And this is it, guys. Spread the word. Huwag kang titingin in cinemas. This April 15, pero pwede kayo tumingin na. Maraming salamat, of course. This Joy, this Tracy, this Rose, the Bubo, the Mentor Productions, at GMA Pictures. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Michael!
A bunch of thank yous, and we can't say it enough. Maraming salamat for supporting our film. You know, this cast was so lovely to work with all of them. Thank you to the network, to Mentor, GMA Pictures for entrusting us in a special project. So please, spread the word para hindi po muna maalig sa inyo. Okay, cinemas! April 15, maraming salamat po.
Yes, ulit, medyo nasabi na lahat, no? Ulit, thank you so much. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And today ko na-appreciate na pwede rin mo na maging comedy na po. So thank you again for being here. And if you think it's good,
Sa mga co-artists namin, sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa amin, of course, Sir Ice, Miss Nessa, Miss Rose, Sir Brian, Miss Annette, Miss Joy, Miss Tracy, GMA Pictures, and Mentor Productions. Of course, Direk Frasco, maraming salamat. Kasi it finally happened after a few, 8 months no? Before taping yan. Thank you guys for all. April 15 in Cinema Station 1, ang Huwag Kang Titingin.
Thank you so much, GMA, of course, and Mentor for making me part of this movie. It's been a while. Ilang taon na po ako pinakabata dito. Maraming salamat. You just have seen how different horror movie. Diba? Sorry, pero marami na tayo napanood ng horror movie, but this one is really different. And yung viral culture, TikTok horror meets Filipino superstition. So it's something really different, and I hope that hilahin niyo po lahat ng pamilya niyo, kaibigan niyo, kung sino man, para maiba-iba naman yung napapanood. Huwag kang titingin. Huwag po kayo titingin, pero manood po kayo na huwag kang titingin. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat po ulit sa lahat na nagpunta sa
First year ka naman mga Ayun, April 15, is when you were already challenged. Ayun, salamat po marami.
Pinapakilala po namin sa inyo si Atang Pining. Yes! Maganda. Ay, yung bulag. Oo. Okay. Thank you so much.
Miss Rose.
Mentor family, thank you for coming. Thank you po sa inyo.
Clear mo yan, clear mo. Saan siya ba? Clear mo yan, clear mo. Pa-clear na lang.
Let's celebrate!
Thank you everyone, Sinona. Clifford, thank you so much. See you later. See you later. Princess Friend, thank you. Who else? Sino pa? Uy, sabihin.
Yan, syempre kay Bien, maraming salamat. Kay Sheko, sa lahat ng mga inibitahan namin, maraming salamat. Hindi na namin kayo may isa pero sobrang appreciate namin kasi ang schedule namin sobrang busy no, pero pumunta kayo dito, so maraming salamat. Syempre, yun no?
Yeah, of course, Lily, Winona, Alasa, Jess, Martin, Jess, Ashley, Fred, Princess, Lola. Thank you so much.
And thank you to all the handlers. Salamat sa pagtulong sa akin sa pelikulang ito. Kahit alam niyo na, bibigo kayo sa akin. Inar from PSD and my promo team, thank you very much. Our promo team at sa lahat po